Okay, this is the frame from the third position. Whoops, there we go. That's the other stand. Looking here, I pulled out this one, completely capped, top to bottom. This one, was it this one? It was this one I pulled out. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was that one I pulled out. And that one's pretty much capped top to bottom. There's like a sliver at the bottom that's not done. And then I didn't look at the rest because after checking the edge and the center there, and then I can look in the window, I'm just gonna say it is ready. All right, guys, it's harvesting day. I've seen enough from pulling out these frames. It's nearly all capped. It may not look like it from the end here, but they're capped. I mean, these end cells are not capped. They're still working on them. But everything next to them is capped. So I got my suite set up. Log. We'll stick a bottle on the log. I'll clean this out a little bit. Probably use my hive tool once I get it out here. And then we'll start getting it. Just a little bit, and then you just pull down and turn it. Does that make sense? So all you want is this plastic piece to pop up.
Okay.
Does that make sense? So we'll see what happens.
So all the way in or just like a little bit?
No, just a little bit. Because it's sectioned.
So I like
Yeah.
pry it up
Crank
or?
it. Yeah.
Just turn.
There we go. Is it tough?
No.
Okay.
Do I need to open it more or that's good?
Yeah. Keep going. It should pop.
Oh. It's like...
There you go. You see?
Oh, I see what you mean now. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
good.
too cool.
And now you take that out, and look at this.
Dude.
Now you got honey on it.
That's too cool.
Oh. Hello. Hey, what's up? Hey guys, I want to take a second and just talk about the Flow Hive and what we do when we go to harvest. First thing we do is, of course, go in there, check, make sure the frames are actually capped all the way across before you even want to extract. Don't trust these windows. They lie. Not like hips. And then here, you want to make sure you have some saran wrap. Try and keep the smell down and keep the bugs out. The bees will come around and look at it. And then we crack, so each of the flow frames are in sections. We go in maybe a fourth or a third crack and just raise that up so that the honey can come down. And then we'll go further into half crack, same sort of thing. Now, if you look close at some of the bees, you'll see that they have this white stuff in their mouth. That is actually the wax cappings. Let's see if we can look over here. See it right there. Wax cappings, and that's them taking it off. so that they can put more honey in. This is the Milwaukee MA871 refractometer. It measures bricks, and we're going to test this year's honey, 2021. So I already calibrated. Basically, you put distilled water in there, hit the zero eyes button, it figures its life out, and then you clear out the water. And then what you do is you come here, dip your toothpick or whatever device you want, make sure it's nice and clean, and then we're just gonna lightly distribute that, and we'll go in and get some more from further down just to be safe. Make sure that's all taken care of and covers the whole lens. Then I'm gonna stick this in my mouth. Yep. Then we're gonna hit read. We're gonna hit read. There it goes. 81.9. So in the honey world, for bricks, you want to be above 80. Anything below 80 gets you 19 or more % in water content. We like using this. We like eating that. Have a great day.